Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the little splash of water on my shirt. I missed my mouth a little earlier. So yeah, today we are here to talk about 5 healthy hair tips. 5 healthy hair tips that is going to change your feelings about your hair, your natural hair journey. Um, I think is going to make your hair easier to manage. So yeah, let's start with 5 healthy hair tips. Starting with number 1, and the most important is drum roll. Deep condition every week. Deep condition every week. That is a must to the healthy hair journey. That is really a must. That's important. Build a schedule. Build a schedule around your hair wash day. Build a schedule. Make sure that you have a couple of hours blocked off, that you don't have that much to do. But definitely keep in mind you can double up on household responsibilities. Like you can deep condition while you're cleaning the house, so you can kill 2 birds at once, like they say. I hope I'm saying it right. So yes, deep condition every week. I definitely use deep conditioners from a bottle sometimes, like bought at the store, but I also make my own homemade deep conditioners, which I love so much and is so therapeutic to me. And I hope that one day I can share 1 or 2 or 3 with you, and you could try it at home and let me know your experience. So yeah, that's number 1, and it's very important. Minimum, I say, leave the deep conditioner on your hair for 1 hour. That's the minimum, I say, leave it. So yes, on to number 2. Definitely use a silk pillowcase and a bonnet. And of course, good scrunchies that do not break your hair. So that's number 2. It consists of a lot, number 2, but let me repeat it to you. A silk pillowcase, a bonnet, and some scrunchies that do not break your hair. So if you see me looking down, I came extra prepared this time. I wrote everything down. I tend to be very excited at times and would catch myself going into story time, which maybe one day we can do story time together. I want to feel more comfortable and get on live, like YouTube live. And you don't need a requirement on subscribers. I checked the other day. So I'm definitely wanting to do YouTube live soon. So let's see. And the next one. So yes, silk pillowcase, bonnets, and good scrunchies. Yes. The silk pillowcases, I must say, is good for your skin and your hair. So that's a win-win situation. And the bonnet, like, you just need to protect your ends, your ends while you sleep. That is very important, and we definitely want to try to eliminate breakage or try to decrease breakage. I feel like that's very important. So yes, on to number 3. Stay away from heat. This one is so important, and it was definitely a must in my healthy hair journey. I definitely decreased the amount of time that I go to the salon. I definitely decreased it. I feel like living in New York, I feel like we're always pressed on time, and I saw the benefit in like going to the salon and having my hair washed. And since I couldn't really what's it called? I couldn't really like do so much natural hairstyles because it was always usually like cold over there to like, you know what I mean? To like let it dry on its own, and let it what is it? air dry. That's the word. Oh man, I almost forgot. So yeah, let it air dry, whatever. Like when you in a cold environment, I feel like you can't do like hairstyles that take like 24 hours or more to dry. But I definitely have a solution for that I'm looking forward to sharing with you. Something that changed like my whole mindset and experience on drying my hair faster. So I'm so happy about that. But yeah, stay away from heat. Since the pandemic, I've been trying to stay away from heat the best that I could. And I feel like I've been doing a pretty good job. And it definitely makes a difference to like hair health, looking shiny and all of that. So look at this. This is day 2. I just want to show you. And it's after a deep conditioner. So I just wanted to show you how it looks. And number 4, take care of your split ends. So that is extremely important. I know as natural hair girls, we definitely want to like, what is it? Like stay attached to our ends. And like, oh no, I don't want to cut it because it's going to be even shorter and I want it to grow and all of that. But you definitely, I know it's hard. I know it's hard to come into this conclusion, but you definitely have to cut your ends. And I'm not sure if you guys know, but I definitely have a lot of shrinkage. Like I am like, you know how sometimes you're like, I can't believe like this is my situation. I definitely have so much shrinkage. I never met someone that their hair shrinks as much as mine. I never, like I'm telling you, I never met someone like with my shrinkage. I have a friend that we love talking about hair. We love it, we love it, we love it, right? And she's telling me now that her daughter has the same texture as me, and I'm like, oh my, seriously, like seriously. But it's just like I was so confused growing up because I'm like, wait a minute, why does my hair never look like the length that it's supposed to be, or that it's actually, you know? So look, this is what I'm talking about. You see this? You see? So it's like half. I lose half. It's crazy. But yeah, like it's just so crazy. I feel like I have a lot of shrinkage. So imagine how I felt like having to cut my hair. I'm like, I'm not gonna have any left. Like, I'm just like, wow, like how short is it gonna be? Because for my situation is more like when it gets curly, it shrinks even more. Like, so I'm just like, wow, okay. But yeah, take care of your split ends. They usually recommend getting them cut twice a year, which I definitely have to be better with that. And yeah, we all have our hair goals and what's our strength and what's our weakness, but just identifying what the problem is so that it can get better eventually. So that's my recommendation. And number 5, the last recommendation is getting better products. I feel like that is extremely important, and that is trial and error. And I definitely understand this journey so much. And to be able to even help you a little further, my last video recommends 5 of my favorite hair products. I am a very curious, excited person, and I love to try new products all the time. So I have more and more products to recommend, and I'm definitely going to do more videos because I feel like some of the products, might be hard to find in the state where you're located. So I just want to put enough products to be able to help enough people, you know? So that's definitely in the last video, and I'll be definitely making more videos to help you out. Good luck with your healthy hair journey. Hope one of these tips or 2 of these tips or 3 or 4 or 5 work for you and you found this video helpful. If it doesn't work for you, you can definitely share this with a friend a auntie, a sister that is going through difficulties in their healthy hair journey and would benefit from these tips, I'll definitely share more videos like this, and comment below so that I can know how you feel about this video. It'll definitely help me plan out my next videos. So let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.